In this video, we're comparing Veo 3 and Kling 2. Veo 3 is an advanced video creation tool powered by artificial intelligence. It turns written prompts or uploaded pictures into high-quality video clips. One of its standout features is that it automatically adds audio, including background noise, sound effects, and even synced dialogue. You can guide how the camera moves, where it focuses, and how each shot looks, giving you full control over the storytelling style. It understands complex prompts well and generates highly detailed video that match that scene you describe. To get started, sign in or create an account. Then, either type a description or upload an image to begin building your video. You can also include extra instructions for background sounds, voices, or sound effect to match the scene you want. Once done, let the platform create a video. After that, you can preview the results and download your clip. As for the pricing, it offers 3 plans. The basic plan once starts at $269.09, the Plus plan at $449.09, and the Pro plan at $899.09 for yearly options. If you prefer monthly billing, it offers Basic for $29.09, Plus for $49.09, and a Pro for $99.09. On the main page, click Start Creating Now. You'll find different modes like Fast and Normal and a History tab to see your previous work. You can choose between text to video or image to video options. In the prompt field, type a scene like a cinematic aerial shot of the futuristic city at sunset, flying cars zipping by, ultra-detailed buildings reflecting golden light. This prompt was chosen to highlight Veo 3's cinematic rendering, motion consistency, and scene detail. Choose between 5 or 10 seconds clip and select either standard or high-end quality. Then, set your desired aspect ratio, then press Generate Video. Before starting, make sure you're signed in. You can log in with your email and password or simply continuing with Google account. Once you're logged in, you'll see various quality settings for your video. Then, hit Generate Video and it will still processing. When it's ready, you can play the video and check the final result. Kling 2 is an advanced video creation tool developed by Kuaishou. It uses artificial intelligence to turn simple text or images into realistic, short video clips. One of its best features is how well it captures human movement. Whether someone is dancing, running, or jumping, the motion looks smooth and lifelike. You can even notice small details like facial expressions, flowing clothes, and weather effects like wind or rain. The videos are created in full HD quality up to 1080p and run at high frame rate, which helps the motion feel natural and clean. The tool is great for anyone who wants to make action-filled, realistic videos without using a camera or editing software. To begin, you can type a short description of the scene you want. Kling 2 will use that to create a video. If you want a certain style, you can also upload an image as a preference. When you go to the homepage, you'll see sections like Creatives and Shots where you can view samples video. Now look at the left-hand menu and click on Video. In the prompt box, tap something like a cinematic area shot of futuristic city at sunset, flying cars zipping by, ultra-detailed buildings reflecting golden light. You also have the option to add a negative prompt to list anything you don't want to appear in the video. Next, choose the video quality, the aspect ratio, and other settings. Once you're ready, click on Generate. Before your video is created, you'll need to sign in. You can log in with your Google account, select your profile, and continue. After signing in, Kling 2 will show its pricing plans. You can start with the basic plan, which is completely free and lets you test the tool. If you need more feature on higher quality video, you can choose a paid plan. The standard plan costs $79.20 per year. Pro plan is $293.04 per year. And the Premier plan costs $728.64 per year. If you don't want to pay yearly, you can also choose monthly billing, which comes with different pricing depending on the plan. Once everything is set, Kling 2 will start generating your video based on the description you entered. When the video is ready, you can preview it. If you're happy with it, you can download and save it to your device. Overall, Veo 3 is better for creative and wide use, while Kling 2 is better for realistic human movement if you can access it. These were just a few examples of what Veo 3 and Kling 2 can do. Want to try it yourself? We've included a list of tested, high-performing prompts in the video description to get you started.